During our stay in Palawan, Philippines, we took a private boat tour of Coron Island. Our tour guide, Joy, picked us up from our hotel in Coron town on a motorized tricycle and brought us to our boat. 2 of her kids had the day off from school, so they were part of the crew, and her husband was the pilot. Leaving Coron town behind us, we had a quick crossing of the Coron Passage. And Joy's son was warmed up and ready to guide us to our first stop, Barracuda Lake. After climbing up and over, you reach the water. And the view takes your breath away. Surrounded by towering limestone cliffs, the lake's warm, turquoise waters are home to diverse marine life, including barracudas, hence the name. Popular for snorkeling, the lake is really more for diving, as the surface waters can be cloudy, and not a single fish was to be seen, though simply swimming in the lake is worth the trip. The next stop on our tour was Banul Beach. Going direct with Joy cost us about $50 each, 20% more than a group tour through Viator or some other service, but half of what a Viator private tour would be. Her contact information is in the video about section below. It was almost lunchtime, so Joy started setting up the kitchen. We were able to customize our itinerary on the fly, staying or moving on whenever we wanted, which was totally worth the extra cost of a private tour. We left Barracuda Lake when other boats were coming in and got to Banul early. Only one other boat was there at the time. The water was much clearer than at Barracuda Lake. And we finally got to see some fish. While we and the kids played in the water, and with the drone, Joy and her husband cooked lunch. Everything was market fresh from that morning and smelled fantastic. More boats started arriving. As did a downpour. But we finally had lunch, which was delicious and way more than the 2 of us could finish. Soon we were off again to our final destination, at Twin Lagoon. Like the other stops on our tour, the Twin Lagoon is dominated by limestone cliffs that are over 200 million years old. The crystal clear, warm water is perfect for swimming. Swimming close to the walls, colorful rocks and corals fill your vision. As they fall off to the depths of the lagoon center. There are colorful fish around the corals as well. Including this little guy who kept thinking that my leg was lunch. The feature that sets Twin Lagoon apart from the rest of Coron Island is the narrow, low-ceiling passage that connects the two twins. Other groups brought kayaks along. The gap is easy enough to swim through. Our day had started at 8 a.m. being picked up at our hotel, and by 1:30 p.m. we were heading back to Coron Town. Thank you for coming along on our tour recap. Be sure and hit the like and subscribe buttons so you don't miss out on our future explorations.